Hey everyone, welcome back to Journey Auto. Today's topic could save you thousands of dollars and a whole lot of headaches. Let's face it, car repairs can be expensive, but nothing hits your wallet harder than engine damage. The engine is the heart of your car, and if it fails, you're looking at some serious repair bills. But here's the good news. Most engine damage is preventable. You just need to know what to watch out for. In this video, we're breaking down 5 things that can cause severe engine damage and how you can avoid them. Whether it's a lack of oil, overheating, or even a major accident, we've got you covered. So let's get started. 1. Major accident damage. Let's start with the most obvious one, major accident damage. Now, your engine is pretty well protected by the car's frame, but in a serious collision, even the engine can take a hit. If the engine itself isn't damaged, the accessories that make it work, like the radiator belts or hoses, might be. And let's be honest, if the engine's damaged, the rest of the car probably didn't fare too well either. In many cases, a car with engine damage from an accident is likely to be totaled. Have you ever been in an accident that damaged your engine? How did you handle it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. 2. Lack of oil damage. Next up, we have lack of oil damage. Your engine oil is like the lifeblood of your car. It keeps everything running smoothly by reducing friction and cooling engine parts. Without oil, your engine would destroy itself in minutes. Metal parts would grind against each other, causing overheating, warping, and eventually a seized engine. That's why it's so important to check your oil levels regularly and change the oil as recommended. Ignoring this can lead to costly repairs like replacing gaskets, seals, or even the entire engine. Do you check your oil levels regularly, or do you wait until the warning light comes on? Let me know in the comments. 3. Engine misfire damage. Now let's talk about engine misfire damage. When your engine misfires, combustion happens outside the cylinders, which can cause serious damage to your intake and exhaust systems. For example, a backfire into the exhaust can destroy your catalytic converter, a crucial part of your car's anti-pollution system. And trust me, replacing a catalytic converter isn't cheap. So if you notice your engine misfiring, get it checked out ASAP. It's a small fix now that can save you a big headache later. Have you ever dealt with an engine misfire? What was the cause and how did you fix it? Share your story in the comments. 4. Seal and gasket damage. Next, we have seal and gasket damage. Your engine has several important seals, like the head gasket, valve seals, and rear main seal. These seals keep fluids like oil and coolant where they're supposed to be. But over time, these seals can dry out, crack, or leak. For example, a leaking head gasket can allow oil to seep into the cylinders, where it gets burned. This not only lowers your oil level, but can also cause serious engine damage. The fix? Replace worn-out seals as soon as you notice a leak. It's a lot cheaper than repairing a damaged engine. Have you ever had to replace a seal or gasket in your engine? How did it go? Let me know in the comments. 5. Engine overheating damage. Finally, we have engine overheating damage. Your engine's cooling system is designed to keep it at a safe temperature. But if that system fails, the engine can overheat, causing metal parts to expand, warp, or even fuse together. That's why it's so important to keep an eye on your temperature gauge. If it starts creeping into the red, pull over and turn off the engine immediately. Even a few minutes of overheating can cause permanent damage. So if your car's running hot, get it checked out right away. It's a small step that can save your engine and your wallet. Have you ever had your car overheat? What did you do to fix it? Share your tips in the comments. And there you have it, 5 things that can cause severe engine damage and how to avoid them. From checking your oil levels to keeping an eye on your temperature gauge, these simple steps can save you from costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more tips to keep your car in top shape. And before you go, let me know in the comments. What's the most expensive car repair you've ever had to deal with? I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive safe, drive smart, and take care of your ride. See you in the next video.